Hi everyone and welcome. In this video we will see from where you can download the Cogent DataHub software, and after downloading this Cogent DataHub software, how you can install it. So you can navigate to this Cogent DataHub website to download this Cogent DataHub software. You have to fill this form, and then once you click on this send me the download link, you will get the download link to download this Cogent DataHub software. Now I have already downloaded this Cogent DataHub software and here it is on my desktop. Now we will see the installation guide for this software. So we are going to double click here to start the installation. Okay, so here you can see welcome to the Cogent DataHub setup wizard. So all you have to do is click on the next button. Then after you have to accept the license agreement. So you have to click on this I agree button. And here you have to select your destination folder on which location you want to install this Cogent DataHub software. So I want to install this software in my D drive. So I have changed the destination folder to D drive. And then I'm going to press next. And we are going to install all of these components with this Cogent DataHub. So I'm going to select every component and then we will press next here. Okay, that's it. We have to press install to start installing this Cogent DataHub in our system. Now sit back, relax, and wait until the installation gets done. Okay, so here you can see Cogent DataHub setup is successfully installed, and here you can see the completed message. Now we can press on next and we can finish the installation. And on the desktop you can see Cogent DataHub icon is here, and here is the data PID and data simulation icon. Okay, so this is how you can install this Cogent DataHub software in your system. Now in the future videos we are going to cover that how you can use this Cogent DataHub to connect with Modbus OPC or OPC-DA or any other devices, and how you can convert that data to MQTT, how you can create a dashboard and everything. Okay, so let's meet in the future videos. Till then, take care, goodbye, and thank you.